In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Docusign link in an email, how to create a hyperlink in Docusign. We'll set up a reusable custom field that behaves like a clickable link inside your documents, and then I'll show you how to grab a shareable link you can paste into your own email. Start by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're in, head to the admin area. From there, open Document Custom Fields. This is where we'll create a field that looks like normal text to your signer, but actually links out to a web page. Click Add Document Field. For the field name, begin with the prefix href. That prefix is important. Docusign uses it to treat the field like a hyperlink when it's placed on a document. After the prefix, add a clear label so you can find it later, for example, something like #href slash more info or #href slash terms. Keep the name short and descriptive. Next, set the field type to text field. In the default value area, type the text you want your signer to see and click, such as view terms, open instructions, or learn more. Make it specific so the purpose is obvious. Now turn on both required and read only. Required ensures the field is present in every document where you place it, and read only prevents signers from changing the link text. In the tooltip field, enter the actual URL you want to open. Use the full address, including https/ and make sure it's a page your signer can access without logging in unless that's intended. Tooltips in this setup act as the destination for your hyperlink, so accuracy matters. Click Save Changes. Your custom hyperlink field is ready to use. When you're preparing a document to send, open the custom field panel, find the hyperlink field you just created and drag it onto the page where you want the clickable text to appear. Position it near related content so it makes sense in context. When the signer clicks that text during signing, they'll be taken to the URL you specified. If instead you want to send a link to the document itself, open the document's drop-down menu and choose Share Link. Click Copy Link, then paste it into your own email or document. This gives you a quick trackable link to the Docusign envelope without composing a new Docusign email. That's it. You've created a reusable hyperlink field and learned how to share a Docusign link by email. Keep your link text clear, double-check the URL, and you're good to go.